Look at that new Kings merch.
Yeah, baby.
Looks great. All right, guys, we're at Pure Hockey. I know, sorry guys, bedhead.
I can't see.
I know, neither can I. What's up, guys? We're at Pure Hockey. We drove another hour back out here to Anaheim, Santa Ana area to get hockey socks for my knee guards and to get a garter belt to hold up my knee guards. I was gonna order it, but ordering it was gonna cost like 16 to 20 bucks, so I figured I'd just drive out here and pick it up. We're just gonna scoop them up real quick and then get back on the road and head back to LA. Wanted to have them for my game tomorrow. I wanted to try it out. I had the socks on, but I had nothing to like really hold up the knee guards and nothing really to hold up the socks. I don't really like using the clear tape. I'd rather just have like the meshing just hold it up and then try the garter belt to hold up the knee guards. So I'm gonna just try it out. And I wanted to get black socks to kind of go with my black look. Yay. It's quite bright over here. And we got new Kings merch.
Let's go.
We love the new logo.
Sick.
So we went to the Team LA sports store at Crypto and got a gang of stuff. So yeah. To hold my knee guards up.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So like these ones are just a more generic one. I don't think we have senior garter belts with that.
The Bauer ones are better, right?
Not necessarily. I mean, for garter belts, they're fairly similar in quality. They use like all the same parts and everything like that too.
So how does it work? It just like I've never used them before.
Yeah, so this, so
Pretty easy to use. Huh?
Fairly simple, yeah. I used to use a garter belt for a while, but then.
Are you a goalie or have you play?
No, I'm not a goalie. I used to use a garter belt as a player for ice,
gotcha.
but then I started using these jocks that have like the sock stays on. So generally, it would be with the jock pants, the thinner ones right over here on this side. Yeah, for sure.
Is that senior?
So senior is gonna be 30. They're gonna be really, really loose and baggy. Intermediate would probably be a little bit better, especially because you don't have knee guards going underneath them.
Yeah.
So
okay. So these should fit then.
Yeah. For sure.
And these are. It has like the part on top that kind of.
Yeah, that little Velcro spot.
Yeah.
These ones have it. The knit socks don't have that.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want them too baggy. So then, yeah, this is perfect then.
No worries. Do you want to keep this stuff up front while you look around?
Yes, please. I'll take these too.
Baby face.
I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need while I'm out here. Oh, the clear tape. Do I need clear tape?
He could not figure out what this was called.
That's what this is called. These.
He was like, I forget what it's called. I'm like, clear tape?
I know, I just forgot.
Oh, he's so
sorry,
precious.
guys. I don't use clear tape ever. As a goalie, I don't use it. Air cards. Yo, check these out.
Wait, get in here. Look at that beauty. Hi, my love.
What's up? Let's have a nice hour and a half drive back to LA.
Woo woo!
Can't wait.
I'm excited.
Same.
What's up, you beauty? Woo! Let's go, babe.
Alright, so let's see how they go. I got the socks. Oh, nice. And then I got the garter belt, like holding them up.
See that?
How does it feel? Better?
It feels better. Yeah, so let's see if they like stay up.
Yeah.
I'll see how they feel like after the first, second period. When I start to like really sweat, let's see if they like slide down at all.
Yeah, we'll get your review at the end of the game.
We got a lot of guys today.
Yeah.
We got like 11, 12 guys.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm like, what?
Finally, is it the sub? Is it the
We're not the sub squad anymore.
We said the same thing.
Yeah, like we always have sub guys. Now we got like a full team.
Yeah.
Peter here?
Yeah, Peter's here.
Nice.
Trevor's not here though. Yeah.
Beer league bender.
Yeah.
I think someone commented and asked you if Trevor was playing anymore.
I get comments. People ask me every single video I post, is Trevor Beer League Vendor coming back? He hasn't been back in like 2 years. Yeah, so
I mean, he'll
answer's
play,
no.
Hey, he'll play an occasional game.
He might come back. He just doesn't want to edit anymore. He's over editing. I don't blame him. It's hard. So look.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Alright, I'll see you guys.
Bye, babe.
That's so cute.
Aww.
Did that kick the food and throw it down, like finding it would help.
We just scored to make it 1-1. 10 minutes left in the first period. First shot was a breakaway. So that's all I'm gonna say. We just scored right after that second breakaway on me. It's 2-2, 7 minutes, like 28 seconds left in the first period. We just scored to make it 3. We just scored to make it 3-2. 5 minutes left in that first period. That last one almost went in. And then the one before that almost went in too. I don't know what's going on. I need to commit to the shot. That's what I gotta do. We just scored on a penalty shot to make it tie at 4-4. 13 minutes left in third period. We just scored to make it 5-4, 7 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. We just scored to make it 7-4, 5 minutes left in the third period. We just scored to make it 8-4, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in the third period.
Get on the jam.
Woo!
So pumped.
Okay. Please don't. Baby face! Woo! You did it! Yo, those saves!
Oh my god.
Brian let me in.
Yeah.
She's like, can you open the door? I'm like, heck yeah.
That's cool.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's like public session out here.
I know, they're so cute.
There's so many people that came today. How
So
weird of a
cute.
game was that?
That was wild.
First, I had 2 breakaway goals, a 2-on-1 goal, and then my defenseman didn't help me on one of the goals.
Yeah, we know that. We know.
No help.
Aw. Finally made it back here, guys. Woo. Wow! He's having too much fun. He's having too much fun. Viva la Mexico! I told her, I said, it's the back of your head. She's like, oh, okay, that's fine.
What do you guys think of the game? Is that recording?
I thought you played a little slow the first period.
Why? Is that because I let in 2 breakaways?
And then
I had 2 first shots that were breakaways, both breakaways.
You got into gear and you were playing.
Oh, then I had normal shots and then I played good. I love how that works, huh?
You're amazing, babe. Here, give me your stick. Bye, guys.